Okay, so we want to create a formula in this spreadsheet. We have different days. We have the amount of cars washed. We have the price per car. We want to find out how much money has been made on each day. And we want to find out the total of cars that's been washed within this week, the amount, and the total amount that's been made. The first one, obviously we click in the cell we want to answer. We always start a formula with an equal sign. We want to find out how much money has been made if 40 cars have been washed and it's £5 per car. Does not really matter which cell you start with. You can start with C2 or B2. But after the equal sign, we click on one of those cells. We then do a star or asterisk key. We don't use the X. We always use a star when it comes to formulas. So B2 star C2, we then press enter. It gives us our answer. We can then do the same. There is a quicker way, instead of you having to type it out over and over and over again. If you click on the first answer, either this one or this one, the bottom right, click then drag. This allows you to copy the formula. You just double check. Yes, those are the two cells. Yes, yes, yes. If these are correct, then that one will definitely be correct. Okay. That is how you create a basic multiplication formula.